Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So today we'll discuss how to read the first line of the file. So for first line we are having head -1 slash etc passwd. Okay, but for the last line we are not sure how many line we are having, so we can do wc-l length 43. So then in that case we have to use 43, but it will print all the lines. Okay, so then we have to put head 43, tail 42. Okay, so that's the tedious job. I don't want to go into that. If you want to print a first line using sed command, we'll do. Okay, so what's the command? Sed -n in single quote 1p slash etc passwd. We got the first line. If you want to read the last line of this, put dollar. You got the last line. See, so that's how you can read the first line, last line, because we are not sure how long the file is, how many lines are there, so we can use $p, but in head and tail this facility was not there. So this is the useful command. I forgot this thing, now I'm telling you, learn this thing, how to read first line. Sed -n in single base 1p etc shadow. Okay, shadow I'm not having permission, so I will use sudo and password. Okay, I'm not having sudo also. So let's read some other file, or let me become a root user first. So su hyphen, okay, enter the password, sed -n in single quote 1p single quote close slash etc shadow. You're getting first line for root and last line dollar test user. So that's how you can read first and last line. Hope this is adding some value to your knowledge. If it is adding value to your knowledge, give a thumbs up, read these things. See you in the next video. Bye bye.